What's up, guys? OCD Offroad here. We're here with our sponsored rider, Hiam.
Hi guys, that's Lady Hawk JK on Instagram and for Women's Wheeling Off-Road Elites.
So there'll be links for it down below. We just installed the first ever quick disconnect hood prop system for Jeep JKs from our buddies over at Redline Tuning. This came about because John and I, who's behind the camera, yeah, that would be John. Hi, John. We would put these in for people, and they kind of drive us crazy because it got away from the basics. Why, you know, I was cool for doing the oil changes if you're by yourself. You know, you pop your hood, and you know it raised itself up. Why that part was really cool, but when we need to work on the motors and everything, they were always in the way, and you couldn't flip the hood all the way back up against the windshield like you normally could and get all the room to work on these things. So we felt it kind of limiting. So we called up the guys over at Redline, kind of made our case with them, and they jumped right on board, sourced some new parts for us, and what they made was these quick disconnect hood props, which are honestly fantastic. You just flip a little switch, comes right off, walk over to the other side, flip a little switch, comes right off, and then you're back to acting like just a stock Jeep, and you can flip it out of the way, do whatever you need, and when you're done, just as easy. And there you go. I mean, it took all of what, about 5 minutes to install.
Roughly.
Part quality is awesome. I think it's going to be a really good product for those of you who wanted one of these and didn't want to deal with the silliness that comes with them. So we'll have a link to the product below, some install videos, and yeah, if you got any questions, post them below, hit us up, we'll have them for sale. Cool.
Brackets?
Yep. There's two fender brackets,
Nice.
a left and a right, two hood brackets,
Nice.
the struts themselves,
Nice.
destructions,
Nice.
and warranty card, I'm assuming.
Is it?
Yep.
What we got?
Important. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're pretty good guys. We've been dealing with them for a couple months now and had nothing but
Instructions.
happy times.
Right.
Yes, we're operating on your baby. I like that you have alcohol. We're not doing that kind of operation.
No,
Is that for you to drink, or?
no, it's for my bumper to drink.
Okay.
Someone decided to get handsy with her bumper.
Oh,
She didn't take it.
absolutely.
She didn't take it nicely.
Carbon
Oh,
S in my bumper.
wow. Wow. Parts are all powdered. Nice quality, good bands. I like it.
It's like maybe either plated or stainless interior. All right. Let's
All
make
right.
sure we have everything. Two gas springs. Yep. Hood bracket assemblies by part number. That's the flat ones. Left hand and right hand bracket. They're numbered individually.
24 and 25?
5. Yep.
Yep. All right.
All right. And there's just basic after that. So
All right. Cool. Step one.
left hand fender 24.
Find a guinea pig.
Found her.
Found her. Oh, that part was super difficult, John. Trained for years.
I am an expert at removing 10mm fender bolts.
And you can do it that fast for the low, low price of $400 if you buy the Matco gun.
No. That was it's cheap if you just buy the tool. It's when you buy the tool and the batteries and the, you know, charger and all the accoutrement, as the French would say.
But
But everybody knows they don't know what they're talking about.
you can't do a manual ratchet.
Why do that when I have power?
Right, that's what I'm saying. Only fools use manual labor.
Exactly.
All right, step 2.
Hood bracket, which are identical.
Gather the required tools.
Done.
1,
Okay, I'm a tool, yes.
2. Done. Step, remove the rear fender
You're
bolts.
just in my way. Now you're just, get out of the way.
He's picking on me.
Who, him? There are 2 identical. Loosen up the upper bolt so that it threads flush. Got it. Okay. Now let's see if I can do this without looking like a complete and utter. I will not say that word.
Complete and utter. Look at this Steve case for professional. Confidence. It's inspiring, isn't it? Don't worry, I can edit anything you suck at.
Well, I feel like this isn't me. This is all Redline's fault.
Oh, look at that.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
You can leave that in.
Well, totally. Just the last 4 seconds of it. That way you look like a champion.
Well, that's how everyone else does it.
Oh, look, Hiam's like, let me get in on the game. Excuse me, ma'am. Customers are not allowed to touch the vehicles.
Why? She has her own tools in the back.
Wow. Wow. You see how that goes?
One of them is about 5'10".
Oh, let me see. You got some custom tools back here?
But it's gotta like stay Okay. Thank you. She's like Vanna White of the off-road world.
Hey, would you turn some numbers around for us?
She's in the video. She's already gonna up our hit count.
That's right. Lord knows we're not sexy. Whoa, look at that. Hey, after the first one, you're a freaking master.
It's almost like I knew what I was doing for the second one.
Almost. Oh, look at girls over here messing with your instructions.
They're her instructions.
It's very eco-friendly of you.
As far as I'm concerned. All right.
This is seriously the easiest install I've ever seen. I would say, yeah. All right, ready? Hang on, I got you.
Do you though?
Go ahead. Next.
Tank it.
All right,
I think that's it.
let's check it out. All right, lower away, Jonathan. All right, let's see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Whatever you want.
Hey, Hyun, you better take your stickers before Craig does.
Stickers.
Get a Redline Tuning sticker.
Ooh.
What's that?
They're the people who made your hood struts. So just make sure you don't lose that because Craig will steal it without you looking.
I'll kick his ass.
Would you?
Oh. What?
Not that I'm just trying to look extra cool by sitting here and not giving a shit.
Well, as long as you don't play with your knife while you're on camera, you'll be fine. And there we go.
You want to fight? Nice. You should be here for this, John. I don't know. Because I'm funnier when you're here. Otherwise, I'm just kind of a schmuck. A lot of stuff for people. And we were putting these things in, and as much as we like them for being cool for doing basic maintenance by yourself, stop making me laugh.
I'm not doing it.
John, you